Okay, stop. Before I show you this image, I want you to do something. Look at it for just 3 seconds. What do you see? Most people say it's a star. Some people say it's a camera glitch. Others believe it's one of the strangest unidentified aerial phenomena ever captured by military sensors. And that's where the mystery begins. The image you're looking at became famous because it doesn't resemble the classic UFO reports we've heard about for decades. It isn't shaped like a flying saucer. It isn't a triangle. It isn't a cigar-shaped craft. Instead, it appears as a glowing 8-pointed star suspended in the sky. The object was reportedly captured by the military imaging systems operating in the Middle East. According to the release reports, analysts were unable to immediately identify what they were looking at. And that's important. Unidentified does not mean alien. It simply means unidentified. But it also means nobody could confidently explain it. Now here's where the things get interesting. When people hear the term UFO, most assume someone is claiming extraterrestrials. That's not actually what investigators are trying to determine. Their first questions are much simpler. Could it be an aircraft, a drone, a balloon, a weather phenomenon, a sensor malfunction, an optical illusion, or something else entirely? Experts who study imaging systems have suggested that the unusual star shape may be caused by diffraction patterns, lens effects, sensor bloom, or the way bright light sources interact with advanced military cameras. In other words, the object itself may not actually be star-shaped at all. The camera could be creating the shape. And honestly, that's a reasonable explanation. There's another side to the story. Investigators don't typically preserve and catalog ordinary camera artifacts for years. Cases become noteworthy when multiple analysts review the data and still can't confidently determine what they're seeing. That's why this image continues to attract attention. Not because it proves aliens, but because it sits in an uncomfortable space between explanation and mystery. And history has shown us something fascinating. Many things once considered impossible later turned out to have perfectly ordinary explanations. But history has also shown us that some discoveries are dismissed for years before being understood. So what are we actually looking at here? A camera artifact? An atmospheric effect? A classified technology? A misidentified object? Or something nobody has figured out yet? The truth is that we don't know. And perhaps that's the most intriguing part of it all, because sometimes the mystery isn't the answer. The mystery is why we still don't have one. What do you think you're looking at? Tell me in the comments. This is the Declassified Archive.